Can't lie, that's better than the Keebler Elves. Alright, welcome Foodie Adventure fans. This episode we're going to be doing the fudge stripe cookies from Back to Nature, because at some point we all need to get back to nature, okay? Let's go ahead and give this a shot. They look like they're going to be pretty delicious. They are non-GMO project certified, verified. So feel a little bit safer eating that. No genetically modified organisms in my food. Now all I need is some milk. But I'm not going to worry about milk right now. These look too delicious. Pure enjoyment. Can't lie, that's better than the Keebler Elves. I'm liking this. I'm giving it an automatic 5 stars due to the automatic chocolate flavor explosion. These things will turn you into Cookie Monster. Share at your own risk. I would eat more, but I smell fajitas. Alright. Guys, join us next time, and we're going to do another unboxing, unraveling of some of your common and uncommon foods that you see here at the grocery store. And of course, we'll be going to a lot of different venues, a lot of different places to eat pretty soon. You will be able to catch us in Hawaii doing our poke / sushi veg. So stay tuned. We got a whole lot more in store. Sometimes we do a 30-second video, 3-minute video, maybe a 10-minute video, but it'll all be informational. And it will be definitely delivered in such a way that you'll be back. So, join us again at Foodie Adventures. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.